Today I will show you how to make journal entries and how it reflects balance in ledgers. For example, if you have to make entry for sales, you have to just select here sales, entry date, debit ledger, like I have make a sale to Aditya Sharma, and then credit ledgers, sales account. I have made a sale of 5,000 rupees and it shows here total balance and it is balance or not. Narration, and it's done. Now you will see it will reflect all the balance in ledger also. Like we have made this entry today on no April, Aditya Sharma account debit to sales account. If I have to make an entry for receiving a payment, so I will make here entry receipt, entry date, and then again debit ledger, like I have received payment in bank account, so I will enter here bank and receipt from Aditya Sharma, and then save, and it's done. Now you will see that amount reflects also in bank ledger. Today you have received 2500 on 9th April. Now if you purchase some goods and services from any vendor, so here you have to select purchase and then you have to debit purchase account, and then purchase, and then you have paid IGST also. So input IGST 5000 and purchase from Aditya Sharma. So you make here again Aditya Sharma 30,000 and then purchase from and then save. It will show you in purchase account you have made a 25,000 purchase on 9th April. So when you make any entry in journal entries, it automatically reflects all the balances in ledgers. For creating a ledger, you can go to all ledgers and create new ledger. Like I am creating a vendor, a sundry debtor, so I will just select here and then select here sundry debtor. It will create my ledger. You will see it ledger is coming and the group is sundry debtors. Ledger groups are some groups that identify the nature of ledger. For creating a ledger group, you have to just enter here, like I am entering sundry debtors and then their parent group, for example current liabilities, then their ledger type will automatically selected.